Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use text-to-speech in Clipchamp. And here's how it is done. To do this, simply open your project, then click on Record and Create in the left side menu. From this page, click on Text-to-Speech. After that, you need to set up some settings and parameters. First, you can change the language, the voice. There are many different actors such as Jenny, Guy, Aria, Davis, Amber, Anna, Ashley, and more. It depends on your choice. Next, choose the voice style. You can also adjust the speech speed if needed, as well as the pitch of the voice, such as extra low or high. You can leave it as default if you prefer. Now simply add your text. I will type something. After everything is done, click on Preview to see how it sounds. Once you are happy with it, click Save to Media. In a few seconds, the audio file will be generated, and you can easily place it on your timeline. Just drag and drop it where you need it. Once it is on your timeline, you can click on it to manage the settings. You can adjust the volume, add fade in and fade out effects, and even change the speech speed, increasing or decreasing it as necessary. And that's everything you need to know about how to use text to speech in Clipchamp. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.